Dysfunctional vet here. As you can see, I have this little lizard right in my sights. This little lizard is not the one that lives in my greenhouse, but he's close to the same size. He's about from head to his tail, and his tail is really long. Say about 8 inches long. The one that lives in my greenhouse, head to tail, is about 10 inches long. But that is not what I am going to be filming. I'm going to show you how to make toad houses if you live out in an area that's very rural. That green pipe that you see used to be in the ground right there, and that is where I have a faucet that I can turn on. All of my faucets are below ground level so that they don't freeze. And the lid is off of that one, which is no big deal. But I increased that from a 3-inch to a full 4-inch so it's easier to reach down into. I did that after I got injured. It was just easier for me to get up and down and mess with that valve. So I went to the 4-inch PVC. The cuts that you see, these right here, are so that they fit around the pipe and it keeps the dirt from washing in. Alright, let's look at making toad houses.